Hey all, welcome back to the journey. So day one of being on the property as a property owner. Ooh, that's awesome. But let's go check out yesterday real quick. Got out of the bank. Ooh, got our checks.
Merry Christmas to us.
Merry Christmas to us.
Yeah.
But this is part of the process.
And wait, what day is it today?
So today is December 16th.
Oh boy.
When did we first put the offer in on the property?
God. Oh my God, a long time ago.
September 16th. So do the math. That's how long we've been waiting. We had 5 closing dates.
Yeah, I think, right? 5?
5 different closing dates.
Ooh.
But whew, we finally got the paperwork.
Yeah.
And we're on our way to the title company right meow.
Right meow.
Right meow.
Right meow.
So, yeah.
Yep. Happy birthday to all of us.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I mean, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, yeah.
Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas, yeah, there we go. Happy Christmas, y'all. There we go. Didn't get the actual footage on camera of actual signing, but that's okay. And we ended up actually had to go back a second time because some of the paperwork from the bank they had missed us signing because it had to be notarized, and the notary was at the title company, not at the bank. So so for right now, this is what we're going to work on, cleaning up the driveway. So you need to have access getting in, because I don't know, you can kind of see up in here that there's a fence. You can see there's a post right there. There's a fence. So we're going to start pushing all this back towards that fence, and then same thing on this side. It's not a good fence, but we're going to start pushing all these limbs. I'm just going to come in with the chainsaw. Gladys is going down the other side. She has an axe. And we're just going to go through and get this cleaned up. So jump you guys over to a time lapse. Let's go. All right, I don't know how much of that got picked up on time lapse because camera turned off. So I just piling all these up on the same side of the road. I'm gonna come through later with the truck and pick them all up. Gotta love thorns. All right, so with just a little bit of work I've already got done, I'm gonna go ahead and show you before, and then I'll come back and show you the after. And the before, at the gate, and before at the first curve. One thing about having a heavy duty blacksmithing post device is being able to clamp down my chainsaw. That way I can sharpen the blade. So.
Go ahead, talk to me.
Tyler, the tree doesn't fall where you want it to.
Come on, put your leg. I was gonna say timber, but keep going. Whoa. It was a slanted tree. Yeah, not bad. Should I help? I don't know. Maybe he got it. I'll help.
Alright, you're still gonna hear Gladys mowing in the background, but here's after. The gate after. Got our pile, one pile off to the side, and we'll process that down later. And you can see that there's still going to be branches like this that are hanging over. That we're still going to clear some of this up, but we've done enough for today, being Sunday. Then vines like this, I need to go, if you can see them on camera, to go to get like a machete or something to help get those out of the ground. But here's the after of the first curve in the driveway. So because it from the gate, it's a slight curve to the right and then a slight curve to the left. And there's nice long, beautiful driveway. Another pile to process, but we're going to continue cleaning up the edges. We have to go get a pole saw, cut down some of the higher branches to be able to get the RV through here. And then that's going to be a little bit, because we're going to get power, we're going to get water, clean up the area over by the house currently, and still figure out where we're going to put the RV. And what do you guys think of that before and after, huh? Whew, big difference. And we still got a lot that we need to get done over on just the driveway portion. And whew, then you can see we still got a lot of grass here. All this area over here we still got to cut. Obviously clean up around, you know, the house portion, just so we can get in here and get this thing tore down. But this is probably going to be one of the much later projects, because we still got quite a few things we need to get done first. Obviously being able to get down the driveway with the RV, that's a big one. Being able to get in here, clean up some trash. There's stuff like that all around us. Power, that's a big one. Need power. You know, I talked about that on the last video, that the giveaway opportunity was done. No one wanted to play, so that's fine. We're just getting started on this journey, y'all. So if you're not subscribed, you might want to click that subscribe button and buckle up, Buttercup, because we're going to be going full force getting this knocked out. So let me get you guys turned around so you can come see what this power looks like. Yeah, look at that. Scary. So this whole thing, even the pole, because I got meter, old ass meter. Like, I don't even, when I open these things, look at that. Disgusting. But I'm gonna go through because I'm pretty sure looking at the size of that cable going over, it's only a 100 amp service. And I want to have a 200 amp service. So I'm gonna have to talk to the power company and see if they build it, because they're gonna have to come and redo the wire from the pole here all the way over with a should be the 4-aught aluminum wire, or it's 2-aught. I think if it's copper, don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure that's what that is. Normally they use the aluminum, so it's going to be the big boy. But we're going to get a whole new pole, whole new panel. So check out for that video to come. But, oh man, glad it's getting finished up over here. So, yeah. Day 2, getting it cleaned up. So, like I said, make sure you're clicking all those links down in the description. Go back, watch some of our other stuff if you're new here. Be greatly appreciated, because we need help with watch hours to get monetized and all that good nonsense. But I think we're wrapping up for today. It's Sunday, and we've already been working for a few hours. And we normally don't do that on a Sunday. Definitely appreciate you guys. Make sure you're thinking of veteran at every chance you get, not only on Veterans Day. And whew, man, yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Bye bye now.